In modern warfare, battles are no longer decided only by tanks, fighter jets, or massive armies. Today, a silent revolution is reshaping the battlefield, and it is happening high above the ground, carried by machines small enough to fit in the back of a truck. What you are about to witness is not just another strike, not just another explosion. This is a clear message about how war has changed forever. On a quiet airbase, far from the front lines, a Russian military aircraft sits exposed. It is not flying. It is not moving. Crews believe the area is secure. Air defenses scan the skies for missiles and enemy jets, but they are not prepared for what comes next. Because the threat is not loud. It does not announce itself. It comes without warning. Somewhere beyond the horizon, Ukrainian drone operators receive their final confirmation. The coordinates are locked. The target is confirmed. There will be no second chance. What happens next unfolds in seconds, but its impact will echo for months. Tiny dots appear in the sky, barely visible, moving fast and low. These are not traditional weapons of war. They are drones, cheap compared to fighter jets, small compared to missiles, but devastating when used with precision. They bypass radar systems designed for larger threats, slipping through gaps no one thought mattered. As the drones close in, there is no alarm. No scramble of aircraft. No defensive fire. The Russian plane remains stationary, vulnerable, unaware that it has already been marked for destruction. Then, without warning, the first drone strikes. A sudden flash erupts near the aircraft's fuselage. Fire spreads instantly. Fuel ignites. The explosion rips through the airfield, sending shockwaves across the concrete. Within moments, a second drone hits, followed by another. Each impact compounds the damage, tearing apart metal, electronics, and fuel systems designed to survive combat in the air, not ambushes on the ground. This is not chaos. This is precision. Every strike is calculated. Every second matters. The drones are not wasting ammunition. They are executing a mission with surgical accuracy, aimed at completely neutralizing the target. Within moments, the Russian plane is no longer operational. It is no longer a threat. It is a burning wreck. Thick black smoke rises into the sky, visible for miles. Emergency crews rush toward the scene, but they are already too late. The aircraft cannot be saved. The damage is total, and the message is unmistakable. Ukraine has demonstrated once again that air superiority is no longer defined solely by who has the most jets. It is defined by who controls the battlefield with intelligence, adaptability, and innovation. For decades, military planners believed that protecting aircraft required massive air defense systems, hardened shelters, and layers of security. What they did not anticipate was the rise of low-cost, highly maneuverable drones capable of striking with deadly accuracy. These machines have rewritten the rules. This strike is not just about destroying a single aircraft. It is about psychological warfare. It forces commanders to rethink every assumption. It spreads fear, uncertainty, and hesitation. Every plane on the ground now becomes a potential target. Every airbase becomes vulnerable. Russian forces are now faced with a difficult reality. Expensive aircraft worth millions of dollars can be destroyed by drones costing a fraction of that price. Traditional defenses struggle to adapt fast enough. And every successful strike increases the pressure, both on the battlefield and far beyond it. Meanwhile, Ukrainian drone units continue to evolve. Each mission provides new data, new experience, and new tactics. They are learning in real time, adapting faster than conventional forces ever could. This is asymmetric warfare at its most effective. What makes this moment even more significant is how quickly it happened. There was no prolonged engagement. No drawn-out battle. Just swift, decisive action. One moment, the aircraft existed as a strategic asset. The next, it was gone. And this raises an important question. If a plane can be destroyed so easily on the ground, what does that mean for the future of military aviation? Around the world, defense analysts are watching closely. Militaries are re-evaluating their doctrines. Airbases are being redesigned. Counter-drone systems are becoming a top priority. Because what happened here is not an isolated incident. It is part of a growing trend that cannot be ignored. This strike also highlights the power of information warfare. Footage from drones is often released within hours, sometimes minutes. The visual impact is undeniable. A single video can reach millions, shaping narratives, influencing public opinion, and sending a clear signal to both allies and adversaries. The image of a destroyed aircraft carries weight. It represents lost capability, lost resources, and lost confidence. For Ukraine, this is a demonstration of resilience and ingenuity. Despite facing a larger, better-equipped adversary, it continues to find ways to strike back effectively. Drones have become equalizers, allowing smaller forces to punch far above their weight. For Russia, it is a warning. The battlefield is no longer predictable. Superiority in numbers and hardware does not guarantee safety. Adaptation is no longer optional, it is essential. As the smoke clears and the wreckage cools, the implications of this strike remain. This was not just an attack. It was a statement, a declaration that the future of warfare belongs to those who can innovate faster than their enemy. And as drones continue to dominate the skies, one thing is certain: the age of silent, unseen warfare has arrived. What you just witnessed is not the end of this story. It is only the beginning. Because the next strike may already be on its way.